Elizabeth, in the Q2 issue of Welding Gases Today, we had a featured article from Datacor about a really exciting new AI product. So can you tell us about that product and how members can go about demoing and using that product?
Absolutely. So what we're excited to talk about and what we mentioned in the magazine is about something called voice prompting, but then also OCR. It is really brand new to cylinder tracking, which of course everybody here is, wants to talk about.
Yeah.
So voice prompting is something where, imagine if you are walking around a cylinder and instead of having to type, instead of having to tap, you are just walking around and speaking into the device, never having to touch the screen. It makes it safer, right? Because number one, you don't have to take your gloves off, especially if it's very cold and you have harsh environments. It's really great. But then also, it's just much easier. It is a much more fluid way of speaking, and it's a great way to collect data. So beyond that, and that's something we're about to roll out right now, we also have something called OCR, optical character recognition, and it's brand new to cylinders. Nobody's ever done this before, but we have worked on deep learning models that are proprietary to Datacor Trackabout to really showcase that you can capture master data and have it be correct at all times. That's what we're trying to do, is to not only make it more efficient, but make it accurate, because that's always the problem, because if you have bad data coming in, you'll have bad data going out.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Exactly.
So aside from the AI, which is obviously everybody wants to talk about it, but I know you also have a lot of really other exciting things going on. So can you share some of those other exciting innovations?
Sure, absolutely. So we are really looking at how we can use AI to, number one, give more insights to our customers from our data. Our customers are not looking to get a hold of the data and do something with it themselves. What they want is they want us to tell them what to do with it, right? And how to influence their business. So we're really focusing using Amazon Quick Sites, using some other, some other tools as well. How can we show our customers more? How can we help them make better decisions? And we're doing that in all aspects of our business, not only through dashboarding, but also through looking at data and how can we look at patterns and see where data is incorrect, and we can help our customers realize where there are process inconsistencies, and we can help them manage those out of the business.
Absolutely. So one thing that I know from interacting with Datacor is the interactions user group. So can you tell me what that group is, why members should participate, and what they can get out of it?
Yeah, absolutely. So this year we're excited to have 2 different tracks for interactions for our Trackabout users. So we have a certification track, which means that if you have a user or users that are maybe brand new, or you would like them to actually start training other people inside of your business, we can give them a certification. It's like coming to Trackabout University, where you will learn how to be a super user, and then you can take that to your business. Then we of course have the kind of leadership track, where just as you have it here at this GAWDA conference, we want to be able to tell people what is happening inside of Trackabout, tell people what's happening inside of Datacor and where we're going. We're making a lot of technology updates this year, so we're excited to bring that to our user group.
Perfect. So obviously here at GAWDA, I think most people understand the value of tracking your assets. But for those who don't, can you explain why it's so important and why even now in 2025 it's not too late to start?
Yeah, absolutely. It's never too late to start. Everything gets more expensive every year, right? We're all experiencing that right now, and nobody is safe from that. And we want to make sure that everybody is getting as much use out of their assets as they can. It's part of this circular economy idea, right? Where we're making sure we're reusing everything, we're recapturing everything back inside the business, and Trackabout can help you do that. It's never too late to start putting those stickers on, especially as we make it easier and easier to do that, to start doing it.
Well, if you have any questions, make sure that you contact Datacor today. Elizabeth, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.